Hi there, I'm Lily. If you remember, not long ago, I introduced you to an Amazon AliExpress bestseller, the 2-in-1 wet dry vacuum cleaner, Redkey W12. Now, many families can't imagine their life without it, just believe me. When it comes to household chores, disinfection, and hygiene, it's hard to find an easy to use wet dry vacuum cleaner with a high quality and efficient cleaning performance. Today, I want to introduce you to the latest model from the Redkey W12 SE. Before we make this video, I have been using this machine for 1 week. Guys, W12 SE is something incredible. It might be your first time watching about these floor washing machines, but these cleaning machines are created to solve two main problems like sweeping and mopping. As I know, the most people use different tools for sweep and mop, right? But Redkey Vacuum Cleaner WSE combines all of them together, the sweeper and the mop. So it sweeps and mops the floor at the same time. So let's open the package, right, and let's see what is inside. And there this main unit, base handle and roller brush, sponge filter and power adapter. These accessories can be stored in the base. This is what it looks like when it's assembled. The upper one is clean water tank and the lower one is dirty water tank. So cool, right? I love it too. When it comes to vacuum cleaning machines, let's talk about 4 issues like cleaning effect, user experience, cleaning the old machines, and the last one will be battery life. First, let's put some soy sauce, tomato sauce, and some wet food on the ground. I love it, like perfect mess. Then fill the clean water tank with water and turn into like deep cleaning mode. Oh yeah, it has built-in electrolytic water device. So when water starts cleaning, the machine sprays water and generates electrolytic water at the same time. So amazing, right? And so impressive. While inhaling all of this garbage, it can also sterilize the floor and keep the surface super clean. So, of course, the dry garbage on the ground, such as like dog food, like oatmeal, dust, and etc., can be cleaned in the noise reduction mode. And the 2 basic garbage I've been mentioned before can be cleaned just in 1 pass. Amazing, right? Just now, the W12 SE did a pretty good job with the basic rubbish, but can it handle stubborn things like in this kitchen? That's really a good question. The thing is, ordinary mops cannot handle these kind of dry seasoning cells. Like, not only it will become even more and more dirty, but it will be particularly difficult to mop. Believe me, we tried so many times. So we turn on the deep cleaning mode and the front and end of the roller brush can automatically spray water just right here. So of the water can be adjusted. That's it. Yes, the white is normal, red is a large amount of water, and when it's like light is off, then it stops the watering. So generally speaking, it will adjust the water to a high level for stubborn dirts like this. You can clearly see that the roller brush was full of water, was rubbed the stains on the ground with all of the strings, which is so cool. And when the dirt goes to the dirty water tank and like manual mops, it needs to change the water repeatedly to keep the floor clean. The thing is, like their 600 milliliters large capacity water tank can continue high intensity cleaning. After cleaning, you only need to put out the dirty water tank and turn it to cleaning mode. The roller brush will be cleaned in just 1 minute, and the only thing you need to do is remove the wastewater tank, empty it, and then put it back. It's really efficient and convenient. I guess some of the people who are watching this video wants to just throw away all of this useless manual mop immediately. So, as you can see, we did several tests, and the cleaning effect of their Redkey W12 SE is A+. But I think the most important thing is judge whether the floor scrubber is good or not. Just look at the physical experience. After all, we must take care of our beautiful ladies. I know every single lady is a Wonder Woman or even Superwoman. We can do everything. Yes, I know about that. But the thing is, like, you know, back to the cleaning machine, I think it shouldn't be too heavy or difficult to control. Yeah, so compared with all of this like floor scrubbers, we saw it like many times, Redkey has done a lot of excellent work, even though it's super lightweight. Yeah, just like that. So It cleans well and also has automatic forward traction, but just right here. It can be easily operated with the on one hand. The machine is flexible and easy to operate, and the corners of the wall it will be cleaned very tightly. It can guarantee 45 minutes of the long cleaning battery, and after testing we found out like the cleaning are rare and they can reach 120 square meters with a full charge battery, so there is no need to charge it frequently during the cleaning process. So the only flaw I want to mention about is that while using the Redkey W12 SE in the deep scrubbing one, it has some kind of like sound of the 80 decibels, which is a bit loud for me, but due to the fact that they upgraded the engine, just right here, the engine is like right here, it has such a strong cleaning ability and the cleaning time is quite short. So it's fine by me, it's fine. As we know, that no matter how good product is, there's always be imperfections. Yeah, or maybe I'm too demanding, who knows. As the final results, the floor washing machine is finally showed what it's capable of. I think you can directly eliminate the traditional cleaning tools such as like brooms and mops in your home. Just say goodbye for them. Because Redkey W12 SE is really convenient. The combination of suction, detachment, and washing not only reduce the cleaning time, and it also takes care of your hands. It will be so beautiful, and actually like including your manicure, but also makes you fall in love with the cleaning process. The Redkey W12 SE vacuum cleaner makes household chores simple and efficient. At the end of this video, I recommend every single person who has never used this kind of like Redkey W12 or Redkey W12 SE, try it out in order to reduce the difficulty of your household work for your wife and let your husband and kids take the initiative to help you with chores and reduce some kind of unnecessary arguments caused by cleaning, right? Like many times happened with my life. I sincerely recommend it. It's definitely worth your attention. I like Redkey brand because it's so affordable and budget friendly for every family with any type of income, believe me. And additionally, I would like to thank everyone who's watching this video. See you in the next video. Bye!